Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to downstream a something like Apple Wash, but what I went ahead and did was I went on Amazon and bought spray marker. Alright, I mixed it with surfactant and put it in this gallon drum. Alright, it came in like a 32-ounce bottle, but it's very potent, so you can dilute it down a little bit. Put some surfactant in there. Alright, and what I did was I added a couple ounces to water, alright, in that bucket. And I'm going to show you guys how you do it with bleach, because once it mixes with bleach, so if you put it in a 5-gallon bucket with bleach, it would dissipate within a few minutes. So then you want to be able to wash the house with that color. So what I do is, and you could do this with Apple Wash too, you could put the Apple Wash in a bucket, or in my case I put this green dye with surfactant in there, alright, and then I got my bleach, alright. So then what you do is, I have a 3-way ball valve, alright. Now this end goes to my injector, alright? Alright, this tube will go to the bleach, alright? And then this tube will go to the green, alright? Now, when you have it this way, it's going to go to the bleach, alright? And then this tube, when you have it this way, it's going to suck from this tube, alright? So what I do is I'm going to put it in the middle, alright, and then we're going to get rocking. It's going to turn green. There it is. Sucking from 2 buckets. Alright, now watch. That's green. And this is how I do roof washing too. So what I do is on the inlet of my pump, I got a 3-way ball valve. I put one thing in the bleach, one thing in the water. And that's how I get 50-50 mix without using proportioner. So I did the same concept for downstreaming, and now you can downstream Apple Wash or do your own dye and surfactant. Well, not dye, spray marker. So that's it.